Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all safe by staying at home. Today I would like to share a special recipe for this lockdown period, watermelon peel sabji. Now it is the season of watermelons. After using melons, we usually discard the rind or outer skin. We can make a healthy side dish out of this. This sabji goes well with the rice, millet rice, roti or chapati. I have already shared watermelon peel dosa with the millet. The link is in the description box below. If you are interested, please check the link. Let us start with the recipe. Peel the outer skin or greenish layer of watermelon rind and cut them into small cubes like this. Take 1 cup of watermelon rind pieces. In a pan, heat coconut oil or any cold pressed oil. For this, add mustard seeds, urad dal or black gram dal and broken red chili. When they splutter and dal turns golden color, add fresh curry leaves. Now add finely chopped watermelon peel cubes. Along with that, we have to add half cup of sprouted moong dal or green gram. Green gram is rich source of protein. Detailed health benefits of green gram sprout I have already explained while preparing green gram sprout dosa. The link is in the description box below. If you are interested, you can check the link. Give a nice mix. Because it contains more water, we have to add little water. For about 1/4 cup to half cup water is sufficient. Organic turmeric powder, rock salt to taste, and a piece of organic jaggery. Cover the lid and allow it to cook. It cooks within 5 to 10 minutes. It is almost done now. Water has to evaporate completely. Put off the flame and add grated fresh coconut. Give a nice mix. Very healthy and easy to prepare watermelon peel sabji is ready to serve. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.